Oh my God, you guys, Goyard is releasing 12 more new limited edition special bags. 2 in the navy color above, we'll talk about those in a separate video, and 10 in this jet black color, which is their old jet black color. We're gonna talk about it, we're gonna go through it. A lot of you said I talked way too fast, so I'm gonna try to slow down because a lot of you before said that I talked too slow and I was blah, 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 going on and on and on, rambling. So I'm gonna try to talk medium. We're gonna talk about this Goyard. There's 10 new items, 3 small leather goods, 7 bags in the jet black color. This is brand new. Goyard Guru here for you. We're at Goyard Gang at. We're gonna talk about them and we're gonna go through each bag. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? And also just a little PSA, I am gonna start doing these more often, but now I'm gonna do it in subscriptions. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel so you can get the limited, most up-to-date on Goyard, Hermes, bag drops, everything, okay? Okay, again, we're gonna go through all these bags. There's 7 bags and 3 small leather goods. I'll do the small leather goods in a separate one, which is really exciting that they're doing them. But there's 7 bags. They look like they're all masculine bags. There's the 2 duffel bags, the trolley bag, 2 briefcase type bags, and a backpack, okay? Or 3 briefcase type bags. This is the Cisalphin. It's a new bag, so they didn't have it in 2020. It's 2024 is exclusive. The red lining is a nod to the Goyard special trunks from the 1930s, but this one doesn't have a red lining. All the jet blacks usually have red lining, so I don't know if that's like a mistake or like that photo's wrong, but it looks like it's not. So they're not putting the red lining on this one. Cisalphin is again a new backpack. Jet black is like dark coloring, all black, kind of gives you this so black vibe. This is the embossed document case, another like more masculine bag. Same thing, AM carry for your documents, and that other one, the Cisalphin, is the same thing with your kind of a document bag. That one had a red interior. The Belvedere, they did this in 2020. Like I said before, in 2020, they did 10 masculine colors, 10 masculine bags. And in 2022, they did the feminine ones, like the Verrine, the Plumette, like things like that. And they called it the Feminine Connection. And they introduced the Nano Saigon, which is what I have. Hold on, let's go get. This is the Nano Jet Black Saigon. 2022 was a new limited edition launch, red interior. And they did other colors. This is the Bourget, the trolley. I think the Belvedere is gonna be very popular. It was last time and it was sold out, and it goes for really high in the resale market. This is the trunk with the red interior. I'm gonna say this is around like at least 12 to 15 because the actual trunk is 9 or 10. But it's got the red interior, which is really nice. And then they have the 2 duffel bags, the Boston 50, which they only did the 50, not the 55, or the 40, whatever. It comes in a 40 and a 50. Boston 50 bag, ideal for getaway, whatever, with the red interior. This is really nice. I also think this is gonna be a very big seller and very, very hard to get, because I could see somebody wanting to get an all jet black collection for the airport. Can you imagine, like so black Goyard? Because it's a little less flashy, right? It's still Goyard, but it's not as like loud as the regular black because everything is kind of so black, right? And then the bowling in the 45, they're not doing the 55, they're only doing the 45, so a little bit of a smaller size. So it's the 2 smaller sizes, I believe. No, it's the 50 and the 55. Anyway, hold on. I know I'm talking too fast again. I'm sorry, there's just so much information, okay? And then we have the Capitaine messenger bag, another men's messenger bag. This one also doesn't have a red interior, which is kind of weird and strange. I don't know why they did that, because usually they all have red interiors. So those 2 that don't have a red interior, everything else has a red interior. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'll do a separate video on the SLGs, okay?